Here's our week 4, day 4 review. Finishing up with a few more word problems of identifying our equations and expressions in problems. So number 1, Martha baked 4 times as many pies as Jamie. If Jamie baked 32 pies, how many pies did Martha bake? So I have Martha baked 4 times as many as Jamie. So if I do 4 times Jamie, I'm going to find Martha. Okay. I know that word isn't in here, so I need to come back to this first part and see that Martha baked 4 times as many. So it's not Martha times 4, it's that she did more. So we know that she's on the other side of that equal sign. And in this instance, I know Jamie baked 32 pies, so I can fill in 32 for Jamie and say 4 times 32 would be Martha. And I set up my multiplication problem. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. So Martha did 128 pies. Number 2, Jimmy's race was 2 times longer, race time was 2 times longer than Johnny's time. So Jimmy's race was bigger, so 2 times Johnny gives me Jimmy. So I'm going to say 2, they both start with J. So let's see, we'll use an O for Johnny and an I for Jimmy. If Jimmy's race time was 4 hours, how long was Johnny's? So I know that Jimmy's is 4 hours, and 2 times Johnny's gave me that 4 hours. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. That O kind of looks like a 0. Might not have been the best letter choice. Number 3, Janelle has 9 times as many toys as her brother Dane. So that tells me that Janelle has more toys. So if I take Dane times 9, I'm going to get Janelle. If Dane has 18 toys, which equation could be used to find the number of toys Janelle had? And use J to represent Janelle's toys, which we already have. So Dane has 18. So I'll plug in 18 there. So 18 times 9 gives me Janelle, which matches A. I do want to point out real quick on B, if we see something like that where it's a number and a letter smushed together, that does mean that they're multiplying them. That would have been, if Dane was bigger, that's 9 times Janelle. So when you see them smushed together, it is a multiplication problem. Number 4, using the chart below, which statement is not true? A, Kelly is 3 times as old as Marley. So above it, I'm going to write Kelly is 3 times Marley. Well, Marley is 8. 3 times 8 is 24, which is Kelly. So that one is true. Maybe I won't put a check mark. I'll put a T for true, because I'm trying to find the one that's false. Letter B, Lee is twice, which means 2 times, as old as Noah, and Noah is 6. So 2 times 6 is 12, and Lee is 12, so that one's also true. Letter C, Lee is twice as old as Marley. Well, no one's the same age, and we just figured out that Lee is twice as old as Noah. So my guess is it's C, but let's check. So Lee is twice as old as Marley, which is 16, but Lee was only 12. So this one is false. And let's just check this one. Kelly is 4 times as old as Noah. And 4 times Noah, which is 6, is 24, and Kelly is 24, so that one's true. The only false one then is C. In letter 5, which sentence below is true? 4 tens plus 3 ones is greater than 3 tens plus 11 ones. Well, 4 tens and 3 ones is 43. 3 tens plus 11 ones is 30 plus 11 is 41. That is true. Let's just double check. 2 hundreds and 4 tens, it's 240. It says is less than 240. Nope, that would be equal. Number 7, 7 hundreds plus 110 plus 13 ones. Well, 110 and 13 ones, that would give me 723 equals 713. Nope. And 906 ones, so 900's no tens and 6 ones, is equal to 816 ones. That's not true. So my answer is A, that very first one. And that's our day 4 review.